Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers at 24/7. So, first of all, let me know, am I audible to all of you? And also, let me know, is audio video both are okay? And how are you all? So, let's start the session. In this particular session, we will be talking about the next unit of your module. As you know, we have started your crash series or crash course series, I can say, in which we are discussing the certain number of questions every from a particular module and a particular unit. So in the victory series, we have completed module D with all the modules discussion, all the units discussion in a detail in form of MCQ, and that was the advanced MCQ. If you haven't saw that particular series of victory series in the module D, then do make sure then you visit the Officers at 24/7 YouTube channel and go to the playlist and watch all the sessions regarding the module D. Now we have started module C in the crash course series. As you know, Indian economy, Indian financial system. Module C is Indian financial architecture, in which we have discussed unit 20, 21, 22, and 23. All these units we have already discussed, and today we are going to discuss the microfinance. That is your unit number 24. Okay, so let's start the sessions. And before starting the session, I want to tell you all that still the offer going on in which Mahapack is available for all of you at a double validity plus the lowest price. Yes, lowest price of Mahapack is still going on, so you will get a 1 year validity here, plus you will get 5,414 rupees you have to pay for the Mahapack, and Mahapack will cover everything. And let me tell you that this offer is available if you use the code Y496 before 12 a.m. today. If you use this code before 12 a.m. today, you will get the benefit of 81% discount as well as the double validity on all the Mahapacks of Officers under 27. Okay, so let's start here. And today the first topic today's topic will be microfinance institution. And let's see the first question. First question is talking about a global pioneer of microfinance was Dash, who experimented with the concept in Dash year and established the Dash in 1980, the village of Chopra in Bangladesh. So this is a filling the blanks question in which you have to answer that who actually introduced this particular type of bank, in which year they have introduced. So is it Professor Muhammad Yunus 1976 Grameen Bank, or second Professor Ahmed Yunus 1976 Grameen Bank, or the third option Professor Muhammad Yunus 1974 Grameen Bank, or the last one Professor Muhammad Yunus 1976 Bank. So you have to answer which of the particular bank we are talking about here, and also you have to answer that uh, in which particular year and who have actually this type of bank. So first of all, it cannot be RRB, because RRB was not introduced in 1980. RRB was introduced in 1975. The first RRB was established Prathama Gramin Bank in 1975 in Muradabad, UP. So it cannot be your option number D. So we can eliminate the D option. It can be A, B, or C, one of them. So Gramin Bank is correct in all of three. But now we have to find out the year. And actually the year is your 1976. You can eliminate the option number C also. Now we have to find out the Professor Muhammad Yunus it was, or Professor Ahmed Yunus it was, because the year is 1976 option. And the right answer is actually your A option, Professor Muhammad Yunus in the year 1976 introduced the concept of your Grameen Bank, in which the first Grameen Bank was established in village of Jobra in Bangladesh. Okay, so he have seen at that place, in that particular village, a lot of money lenders were there, and money lenders were exploiting people by taking high rate of interest from them uh, while providing loan to them, and a high collateral was also used to be taken by them. So after seeing that situation, have done an experiment without taking any kind of collateral and without taking any kind of interest. He provided loan to public, and public actually returned the loan on the time as well. So he said the people are not here to fraud or not here to default. They here because they have a certain need of money. If we will be providing money to them, they will definitely will be providing return to us. And on this basis, he has introduced Grameen Bank concept in Bangladesh. Okay, so your right answer will be A option. Now, The second question we have match the following, and these are the three models we are talking about: Model 1, Model 2, and Model 3. All the three models are related to your self-help group, and you have to match the right column here. If we talk about self-help groups are those groups in which 10 to 20 people will come together and form a group to fulfill their need of basic requirements related to the funds. The main reason behind introducing self-help group was to promote the savings habit among the people. Okay, and the self-help group have a three types, that is in the three models. Out of these, you have to find out the right match. So if I talk about model one, in the model one, I first of all let's eliminate the option. And when you eliminate the option, you will find that model one is the model in which there is no NGO. So you can simply say the second option or the B option here is saying NGO intervention. So the first is talking about you. And if the first is B, you can simply eliminate the option number A and option number B. Okay. Now let's talk about the second. Talk about module second. Module second is actually in which NGO will be there. In the module three, NGO will be also there. But in module B, in the model B or model second, you can see that the NGO works as a facilitating. Okay, so right answer will be your second is your A. The third model, the NGO actually works as a financial. Third is your obviously. So B, A, and C will be right combination. A and C and the B options. Remember, the answer will be your B. Okay, so do remember in model one there is no NGO available, and no intervention from the NGO. Model two NGO here, and as a facilitating model will be representing the NGO, and model 3 will have NGO in form of financial intermediary. So that's why your right answer will be okay. Now next question, we again have a match the following, that is types of microfinance institutions. Yeah? There are three types of microfinance: not for profit, for profit, and mutual benefit. So not for profit microfinance are actually the ones which out of these will be matched. Like first is saying there are non-banking financial companies which are registered with Companies Act and regulated by RBI. So now when you read the first definition, you will find that the first definition is talking about that they are regulated by RBI. They are regulated by whom? They are regulated by RBI. And out of these three types of mutual fund, only for profit microfinance institution or NBFC MFIs are regulated by RBI. So your second will be the combination of A. And you can eliminate easily the A and B option because second is now the second definition saying the state and national cooperative and mutually added cooperative societies set up under the Mutually Added Cooperative Societies Act, which was enacted by the government of Andhra Pradesh in the year 1955. So you can see it is about mutually added cooperative society. So third is actually, and if third is B, the first will be your C. Right answer is okay. Right answer will be what? It will be your C option. Now the next question we have, so do remember all the three types of self-help group models as well as remember the all the three types of microfinances. Now next question is related to Maligam committee. Which of the following is are correct? Findings of the key recommendation of the Maligam committee. First is saying creation of a separate category of NBFC operating in the microfinance sector to be designated as NBFC MFI. Second is saying criteria for defining microfinance loans classified as qualifying asset. Third, prudential norms on capital education requirements. Fourth, transparency, interest charges as well as other terms and conditions of the loan. So out of these, which of the following are the correct findings? Malekam committee was created by RBI and it actually provided the findings on the NBFC's MFIs, and all the statement written here is the correct findings that have been given by the Malekam committee. So the right answer will be okay. Right answer is D because all the given findings here are correct regarding the committee. Right answer will be your D. Next question. Next we have, which of the following is are the main purpose of the Fair Practice Code given by RBI for NBFC MFI. For Fair Practice Code we are talking about, it was given by Reserve Bank of India for the NBFC because they are regulated by RBI. First, adopt practices which are considered best for dealing with customer. Ensure customer satisfaction by setting higher standard and achieving them. Third, follow methods of business operation that are transparent, fair, ethical, and legally justifiable. And the fourth, to promote unfair practices. So, out of these four, what do you think? Which of the following is correct here? Which of the following is our main purpose? Acha, actually. Which of the following is our not the main function or main purpose of introducing practice code? Let me know. The question is actually, which of the following is are not the main purpose of fair practice? A, B, C, or D? All except 2, all except 1, all except 4, all except. Let me know which of the following is correct. Okay. The right answer on this particular question will be your all except 4, because it is saying to promote the unfair practices. Actually, it should be to avoid the unfair practices, not to promote. That's why all are the main purpose except option number 4. So right answer will be your C option. Okay. Next. In which type of financing of self-help groups does an NGO act as a financial intermediary? In what type of self-help group model NGO act as a financial intermediary? So we have just discussed there are only three models, so you can eliminate the fourth option. In model 1, NGO have no intervention. In model 2, NGO will be acting as a facilitating agency. In model 3, NGO will be acting as a financial intermediary. Right answer will Right answer will be what? It will be the C option. Okay. Now, in which year did RBI introduce bank scheme? The lead banking scheme is a very important scheme of your banking, which actually RBI introduced bank for the purpose of objectives. One is branch expansion, and second is credit planning. So RBI wanted that every district will have the required branches available of the bank, which that each person can come and participate in the banking financial product and services. And second, RBI wanted that everybody will have a educate credit whenever they required. That's why RBI have introduced the lead bank scheme on the study of Cargill study group in the December 1969. So your right answer will be in this scheme. RBI made one public sector or a private sector bank a lead bank of a particular district, and the work of this lead bank is to make sure that all the banks in that particular working to establish the branches where required and to plan the credit of this. Okay. Next question is talking about which of the following types of microfinance institutions are regulated by RBI. So I have just told like which microfinance institution type comes under the RBI's regulation. Not for profit, mutual benefit, NBFC, MFI, or all of the above. So answer is NBFC, MFI, that is also known as for profit microfinance. The right answer will be the C option. They are regulated by RBI. Okay, now a microfinance loan is defined as a collateral free loan given to a household having annual household income up to dash rupee. For this purpose, the household shall mean a single family unit that will count husband, wife, unmarried children, all collateral free loan irrespective of end use and mode of application provided to dash household. Now you have to answer what is the criteria of annual income of get the microfinance loan. And second, you have to find out that which kind of income household the loan will be. So actually, this low income family group or the low income household who are eligible to take the loan under the microfinance. So high and middle will be eliminated. And the household income should be up to 3 lakh rupees, so not more than that. So right answer will be A option. Up to 3 lakh household income, here the annual income, and the loan will be provided to the low income household family. That's why the income is only lakh rupees. Okay, so this is all that we have discussed today about your unit number 24, that is your microfinance. Now, this is the Mahapack I was talking about, that you are getting a double validity plus the lowest price ever, or I can say till now, this is the lowest price available. That is 5,414 rupees, and this will be available for the 1 year validity. And in this batch, in this particular Mahapack, right now the useful courses for all of you will be a crash course. You can watch crash course, then you can watch the revision batches which are going to start in the month of May only. Apart from that, the next you will get here the numerical batches. The numerical batches are starting for AFM, or I can say started from today only. Apart from that, you will get a power pack revision batch here. So all these batches are right now very important for you for the remaining 50 days of your exam. And AFM numerical batch already started, around 500 something you have to pay here. And if I talk about crash course, you have to pay 3700 here to for that. And you can say 4100 is of these prices batches only. Now the revision and power pack batch will be a different amount. So it will be more than what the actually Mahapack is available. So I would suggest go for the Mahapack right now because the lowest price offer is still going on. And to enroll, first of all, you have to download the Adda 24/7 application. After downloading the application, go to the home page of the application, purchase the batch, because on application you will get the maximum price discount. Okay, so this is your application. Scroll down, you will find the exam category JIB CIB. Go to the JIB. May 2024, you will find here the Mahapack. Click on the Mahapack. Do read all the details what are available. Apart from that, you can see mini and Maha marathons will be available for each subject. Then click on the buy now option. Enter a code here Y496 and apply. Once you apply, you can see 80% discount is there by using the code Y496. This is the discount which will be available. Apart from that, you can see this price of 5600 or 5700 will be only 5400 for you after you purchase the same from the application by using the code Y4. Okay, so if you want to enroll, do enroll today only, because after that this offer will not be valid, and use the code Y496 to get it. Apart from that, if you want to join these kind of sessions on the regular basis on offices at 24/7, then do subscribe the channel. Okay, then do subscribe the channel Officer Survey 24/7 and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions will be given. Okay, and that's all for today that we have discussed. Apart from that, if you haven't seen the earlier session, go to the playlist section of Officer Survey 24/7 YouTube channel. You will find playlist of all the subjects of your JIB, and as well as you will find the special sessions playlist there, like the mini marathons of IEIFS, RBWM, everything is available. Apart from that, yesterday morning, it means on 31st of March morning, I have taken modules marathon of your IEIFS in English medium. If you haven't seen those sessions, do make sure you check the playlist and watch them also, because all the sessions are very important for all. Okay, and this is all I wanted to inform you all about today. And also remember, AFM batch already started from today, है ना? If you are looking for a numerical batch, AFM numerical batch already started. Okay, and it is started from 1st of April. And this batch is available with 81% discount if you want to go for the 80 batch. Otherwise, do make sure you go for the Mahapack if you are going to give all the 4 subjects on this particular time period of May 2024. Then go with the Mahapack. Do not go with the individual batches, it will be costly for you. Okay, and the revision batches are going to start in the month of April, so do join them also. Okay, so that's all for today. Let's end the session here. Thank you all for joining the session. Last but not the least, Watch all the important sessions in the playlist in the recording form. You can watch all them. If you have any doubt in each session, ask in the comment section. We'll check your comment and answer the last but not forget to subscribe the channel